Hello there! We've got a couple classes of students who have made the transition into middle school for the first time. And when students join middle school, they also have to join a couple school clubs. So, we thought it would be interesting if we asked those students, what if you could make your own school club? What would it be about? And this is what they had to say. Enjoy the video.
Hello, we are Amy
and Eliot. Today we are going to talk about our new school club. Our new school club's name is Become Baek.
Our club is all about cooking. The reason why we make this club is to get students interested in cooking. In our club, we will learn how to make many kinds of food.
Here are our club's activities. We'll learn how to make many foods like spaghetti, steak, baking cakes and cupcakes, and even making sushi.
At the end of semester, we will get cooking competition.
We'll have a lot of fun learning how to cook.
If you want to join us, call us at 010-486-486. Thank you for listening.